Hello, 1987 Chevy p30 rear wheel cylinders. Well, there was multiple problems. The brake line on this side was turning together. Basically, this was seized up in the it was seized up, so I end up unbolting the brake line because this side came out, taking it out, then took the cylinder out, got it heated up, and it came loose. Now I just used a small torch like that. On this side I was trying to do the same thing, but it did not come out there. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. Nope, it's seized up. But here there was more room to kind of pull the cylinder like that and turn it. So I just unscrew it. Then I did the same thing. I used the torch, got it hot, and slowly moving it back and forth, I got it to move. Then spray some PB blaster on it, let it cool down, clean it up, and that's it. Customer did not want me to do this side. He said the other side was leaking. I'm like, you mean that's when it leaked out? Yeah, right. Another thing, there is two ways of doing the cylinders on this truck. I think unbolting the backing plate from here and just moving it so you can have some room. There is no room behind. I've tried a couple things, wrench like that, but because it's a 12 points, it will screw up the bolts. There is not enough room for the ratchet, so I made a socket like that, 3/8 socket. Grind it down 3/8 on the outside. Then you can put it in the wrench. Basically like that. Yeah, that gives you enough room to get in here. I mean, of course, it's a kind of well, I mean, you are not gonna be able to slide the socket with the ratchet in here. Well, I don't know, maybe, but I think the bolt sits like that. It just a little bit not enough room for the ratchet to go in. Another thing you can do, you can probably cut the socket down. Make it shorter, and then you can get in here with the ratchet. Then you don't have to mess with the backing plate. You can do it all just from here. But what I did with this line, I bent this out so I can move it outside to loosen it up. Well, I guess now it's gonna go back together. And did the emergency brake cable on the other side. This is bolts. One bolt, the one I kind of I've tried to tap on it with something and actually smacked it, but it should be okay. Parking brake cable. Yeah, the customer did not want to replace the seized up cable. He was like, well, let's just put everything back together. I'm like, well, what if somebody is gonna pull the cable? I'm selling the truck, I don't care. Well, I told him how much the price is to drop the drums on this truck just to push it out. Well, we found the cable, so hopefully it's gonna work. Another thing, over there, the way I did it by myself, I grabbed it here with the vice grips and used the pry bar on the other side, both hands. When this thing getting inside of that coupling, like that, if you push them together and let go the vice grips from this part, I actually was able to get it in like that all by myself. So I guess I'm gonna be putting back the wheel cylinders and then the rest of it. Alright, thanks.